Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Hostinga Horizon, a platform that's sparking a lot of conversation lately. Whether you're a startup founder, a designer, or someone with zero coding skills but a big idea, this might be just your shortcut to building web apps with zero lines of code. I'll walk you through what it is, how it works, the key features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally, the million-dollar question: is coding really dead? Let's get into it. Hostinga Horizons is an AI-powered, no-code web app builder designed for anyone who wants to turn an idea into a fully functional web app quickly and without hiring developers. You describe what you want, literally in plain English, and the AI acts like your personal software engineer. You can build anything from booking systems, task trackers, delivery platforms, community portals, or internal tools for your business, all without touching a single line of code. It is designed for 4 major groups: entrepreneurs who need MVPs fast, product and UX designers who want to skip the development queue, teams who need internal tools or prototypes, and even pro developers who want to speed up boring tasks like bug fixing or scaffolding. The magic here isn't just the app building, it's the whole flow. It removes the bottlenecks: no team delays, no dev handoffs, no setup struggles. You just talk to the AI and boom, your app comes alive in a browser sandbox where you can test and tweak everything. Now let us talk about the main features of the Hostinga Horizons. Natural language prompting. You describe what you want in plain language and the AI builds it. Not just a rough idea, but working web applications. It even understands speech and images like sketches or screenshots. Live editing via prompts. Do you need changes? Just tell it. You can improve, tweak, or entirely rework your app by typing simple commands. You can add a login system, you can remove a feature, or redesign a section, all done instantly. One-click deployment. When you're satisfied, you can publish your app with a single click. Hosting, domain linking, and even professional email, it's all baked in. Built-in version control. Did you make a mistake? You can revert to a previous version. It's like having Git for non-coders. UX by default. All apps follow best UI/UX practices, so you're not just building functional software, you're building software people enjoy using. This platform isn't just about creation, it's about empowering iteration. Now let us talk about the pricing. Hostinga Horizons AI App Creator Plan starts at $9.99 per month. For this price, you get everything you need to create and refine your web app with prompts and deploy it in one click. Web hosting is included, so you can also start your project online. You can easily reconnect your custom domain directly from the Horizons interface, plus you get access to other useful tools like professional email, which helps to scale your business. What are the pros and cons of using the Hostinga Horizons? First, the pros. No coding required. Fast MVP turnaround, which is great for lean startups. Everything in one platform: the hosting, the domain, the email, and development tools. It supports speech and images, which means it's very beginner friendly. And there are real-time updates. You can adjust your apps on the fly. How about the cons? It is still in early development. Some bugs and feature limits exist. It is not for mobile apps. It is strictly for web apps, which means there are no App Store or Play Store publishing. And it requires a monthly subscription, which can be a blocker for ultra lean teams. So let us talk about the big debate now. Is coding dead? Well, the answer, not quite. What Hostinga Horizons does is shift the landscape. It removes the barriers that stop people from building. You don't need to know what a database is or how to deploy a server. The AI handles all of that. But does that mean developers are obsolete? Well, absolutely not. In fact, tools like Horizons amplify what developers can do. Instead of wasting time on boilerplate code, they can focus on innovation, security, performance, and solving real problems. If anything, coding is evolving. Developers now work with AI rather than in spite of it. And for the rest of us, it means we can build, test, and validate ideas faster than ever. The power balance is shifting, it's not ending. So the answer once again, no, coding isn't dead. But the days of needing to know Python, JavaScript, and Git just to test an idea, those days are numbered. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Bubble, OutSystems, and Webflow plus Wisp. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.